Highlands Mineral Water Company Limited is a company that has been in existence for the last 65 years, manufacturing water, soda, and cordials. We distribute throughout the country. We have 5 distribution points across the country. We have 470 employees full-time, and we pride ourselves in being an authentic and homegrown Kenyan company. Before SAP, we were using a simple accounting software. Being a manufacturing company, we were looking for more control in our manufacturing process. We were looking for more robust tools for reporting.
The main benefit of SAP for me has been that it has made it easier to access all information I need from a central location, including tracking of costs, movement of stocks and inventory, control of inputs and outputs.
Benefits of SAP are it's easy to use. Pick lists help us to better manage our inventory and ensure customer delivery is on time and in full.
ACEteK Software Limited has been a true partner in this journey of implementation of SAP for us, because they have at all times considered our needs and tailor-made solutions.
ACEteK, they've added a lot of value in the process by continuously monitoring and advising on our use of the system, giving us improvements through reporting and dashboards that have greatly helped our turnaround time in decision making.